Hello everyone, this is RAFTHELSA Vlogs. This is my mini forest. Santa is coming to town. I have here the two Santa here, and this is my creation here. And I have here a mini forest. The three Santa is on the back side, is on the forest with the 7 reindeers in the forest. This green grass serve as the grass from the forest with some beautiful flowers around, and decorated here with some pine cones flower type painted with the nail polish. This one is the cover from the ref boxes. So this is my mini home decoration table centerpiece. Santa is coming to town. This is made from waste materials. Santa Claus is coming to town. So there is a big Santa Claus on the both side, and the 3 Santa Claus riding with the reindeers on the back side, coming to town to bring some Christmas gifts. And these leaves from the fern, this is original leaves pressed in the magazine, and now this is already dried, and it served like the tree of the forest. So guys, thank you for watching this mini table home decoration for the Christmas. Santa is coming to town. Merry Christmas to everyone. Santa Claus is coming to town. Merry Christmas to everyone and a blessed Happy New Year. Please give a thumbs up and leave a comment and share this video and subscribe to RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. God bless everyone, and Santa is coming to town. Look at the Santa here, the other Santa. So this is a unique table centerpiece, Christmas decorations made from recycled materials.